Hello, welcome back. And today I wanted to share with you guys how to make your money work for you. So today I had just opened a new account at a new bank because I figured out they give 5% interest for savings. And that is crazy to me because I am used to like 0.001% or whatever it is. And I just found this out last night. And you know me, I work quick. Whenever I find something, I put it into practice, and I want you guys to do that too. So, like, imagine if you had $100,000 in an account, you'd be making $5,000 extra every year, over $5,000. And if you have $25,000, that's like $1,250 you can be making a year. Isn't that crazy? So, imagine what you could do with that. And that's the importance. The amazing thing about making your money work for you is just by your money sitting there, it's making all that money for you. It's like your money is having babies and grandbabies and great-grandbabies. Like that's what our money is supposed to do for us. You should be having your money work for you instead of you working for money. Now it's totally different if you're learning a skill set and everything so you can apply it to help yourself someday. But don't get stuck in the trap of just exchanging time for money, okay? Because that's the trap of the rat race that people stay stuck in. And in the new world order that's coming in, it's not going to work. I mean, AI is going to take over so many jobs, and you need to be set. So put your money in investments, even if you don't have a lot of money, even if you have like $100 every month you could put in something. Start investing. Don't wait till you're more wealthy to start investing. Okay, start now. I mean, saving is really important and investing is really important. I mean, you can do it in the stock market if that's what you prefer. You can do it in real estate. I'm a big fan of real estate. I also am a big fan of crypto, and the crypto market is doing pretty well. We see it going up, and depending on the election, we'll see what happens. I mean, it'll either make a bigger upsurge or it'll just take a little bit more time. But it's also a really great way to make money. I mean, look up Michael Saylor and how he talks about Bitcoin, and it's absolutely amazing. Like, you need to own a Bitcoin, at least. Go and do that. Or at least own partial of a Bitcoin. I know they're kind of expensive. But yeah, be investing in yourself and your future. And being financially literate is so important, and that's going to give you so much success in life. I've been really blessed to have parents that have taught me all this, but I mean, YouTube is out there now. You guys can learn it for yourself, and your future self will thank you. Your quantum self is pulling you over there. That's why probably you're seeing this video. You're meant to see it. Start investing. Find the banks that will give you really great interest. And use it. I always thought that 5% was just in a CD or a certificate of deposit. I didn't realize that actual regular bank accounts had that. I mean, Flagstar does. There's a handful of other banks that do that. Find one that works for you. And yeah, put your money to work. I mean, imagine what you could do with all that extra money. And I mean, it's quite a bit of money every day. That's the thing that blows my mind. It's earning a whole bunch of interest every day instead of you putting, trying to balance your checkbook over 55 cents of interest that you've gotten, I always didn't appreciate that as a kid or even till recently. But anyways, I hope that inspired you guys to get yourself out there looking and becoming financially literate. Because I think a lot of people think that, as women, you can depend on the guy to be financially literate. And that's great. The guy you're with should be extremely financially literate, but it's also good for you to know as well. And yeah, and it's never too late to learn. It's a fascinating topic. There's so many amazing things to learn about it, and I hope you do. Money is not a bad thing. I know a lot of people think that, money is bad, money is evil. It's not. It's the person who makes it good or evil. So money will just exponentialize who you are as a person. If you're a good person, it allows you to be even better towards people and give and everything. And if you're a bad person, well, it'll just exponentialize that trait. So I hope that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.